We've got the good old Fridge 48 coming at y'all today. Now this is one of our best selling backyard pits, and for good reason, so let's check out why. Now on the smoke chamber, guys, this is our Fridge model. That's the cabinet doors. Of course, it's got the cool handle. Everybody likes the cool handle. Stainless steel accents on all the hinges and handles as well. Now on all Fridge models, you get 3 grates inside, all right? We offer this in multiple sizes, 36, 48, 60, 72. It just keeps going. So hit us up if you're needing a custom size. On the inside here, we do have a couple added options, such as our charcoal pan setups. We've got an ash pan here, charcoal tray goes on top of that. You take your reverse flow plates out, set those in the bottom, turn your smoker into a charcoal grill. So that works great. We'll close it up here. You can see our TMG Pits Tell True thermometers there, one in each door. Off-road package, that's our standard wheels and tires on this setup. Stainless steel front shelf as well. Now y'all step over to the hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here. Y'all know the deal, 1,776 square inches of cook space. That's just because we love America, all right? Now the hot box runs independent from the smoke chamber, so you can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. Just makes it extremely versatile. Onto the firebox here, this is just our standard firebox, all 1/4-inch plate. You got your fire management cradle in there, as well as an ash clean out door on the bottom. You can see your D-ring tie downs back there as well. So folks, that's it on this slick little Fridge 48 heading out. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.